Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82. So today we're going to be coming at you with, well, it's kind of a mail call. Now this is from Walter Frederick, and he's got his very own air compressor sound today. There you go, Walter, just for you. He's been around the tool community for quite some time. He subscribes to a lot of other channels as well. Obviously, I'm going to go put some links down below if I can find them. I don't think he has some. He's got some content. Yeah, he does actually. It's been a while. Things have been crazy with me. Sorry, but yes, I'll post links down below and right here. And so he sent me some stuff. It's supposedly new old stock specialty sockets. We'll get things turned around and see what we got. All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll try to be gentle with this one. So, let's see what we got. Ooh, we got some newspaper. Let's see what type of newspaper we got here. Whoa. Okay, looks like we got a letter. And yeah, that's that. All right, so today we're looking at what is this? Indeed. Oh. Ed's Orchard Market. Local grocer over there. So that one's out of there. Got some packing. That one's done. And that one. All right. So he said these were new old stock from a hardware store that went out of business. Snap-on 11/16 P. I'll annotate down below what the date code is on this. Made in the USA. SW 220. It's a 12 point. That's a different animal. So it's got the hole kind of bore straight through, and yeah. So the tool place, I can't remember if it was a Napa or what, right off the top of my head, was going out of business, and I guess when they were going through selling stuff, they found these in there. And then this one, slight use. I don't know how often he used this. 3/8 drive. Same year, 13/16. See right there, the 7s. I don't know if that's like 67 or when. I'll, like I said, I'll put it down below. Snap-on 13/16. So new. I mean, yeah. Well, he's got a little bit of light use in there. Might have been used for fitment. You can see how. Oh, I get some light down in there. How they punched the broaching on those when they went and made them, and bore it straight down. That's pretty cool. So we're going to have to see. Yep, so 1950. I don't know if 1950 is the year or 1950 is the... I'll have to look that up. Was what he picked them up for. Still feels like it's got some factory oil on it, actually. That's pretty cool. So Snap-on 13. That's sweet. There's the pump. Hold on, we'll be right back. All right, so let me read this here if I got a thing real quick. See if he says what year these are. Closed a couple of new old stock Snap-on sockets. Came out of a closed down Autopod store in his area, Northwestern Auto Supply. And he knew the owner who ran it, and now an auto parts salesman. So, okay, so he knew the owner that ran the store, and when that store went down, I guess, yeah, they had these. So, let's see here. 13/16 fits like a dream. Perfect. I mean, that is a dead nuts on fit. So that just happened to work out that I had that right there. I don't have a fitting for the 11/16, but yeah, new old stock. So yeah, that might be the date on there, 1950. So I got that in 1/2 inch drive. That's in 3/8 drive. Even back then, they did the good broaching. So that's kind of sweet. So yeah, thank you very much, Walter. I do greatly appreciate this. In my toolbox at home, which I know as soon as the weather gets nice and I get a moment, I need to do a tour of that one too for you guys. That's where these are going to go, so that way they're nice, safe, and I don't break something that's essentially irreplaceable. So, but yeah, kind of unique how they did the broaching in this one too. It's pretty cool. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, links down below. Walter, thank you very much. These are cool. These are gonna air compressor just for you again. These are definitely gonna be neat. I have to see if I got some that fit that, but yeah, slick, beautiful. How about that? Thank you very much, sir. Do appreciate it. So, remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. And you guys have a good weekend. Thank you, Walter.